Here's a Lasko Box Fan. This is the, I couldn't find the model number on it. The stamp on it was very, very light. I was able to make out the year. It's 94 to 95 production year. So, couldn't find the model number. 3723, 3733, I'm not sure. Here's a speed selector switch. It's pretty yellowed. I could not get it to clean up any better than that. Couldn't really get anything on the fan to clean up better than this. Handle's broken. It's right here. Clips snapped off. I won't have any trouble finding a new one. I've only got one guard for it, the front guard, which is in really good condition, but I don't have screws for it, which is kind of mind-blowing. I thought that's something I would have had somewhere, but apparently not. Motor is running much better now, but blade's out of balance, and stator has quite a bit of rust on it, so I don't really know if I'm going to use this fan. The rust might come out with a little bit of TLC, but yeah, I don't have time for that right now, so not really sure what I'm going to do with this fan yet. I'll hang on to it, something will come to mind. But yeah, I'm not sure if that motor is good to use like that. Runs good, but I don't know. The blade, like I said, is out of balance, but sometimes I wonder if the blade balance issues on these don't have something to do with that clip that they put on there. They put like it's like a heavy gauge. I could probably pull this thing off really quick. Maybe not. So they put this clip in the blade hub. See that crust in there? I tried to wipe that out, it wouldn't come out. I didn't spend a whole lot of time cleaning the blade, but you can see it's like wilted. I think this fan probably spent a lot of time in the sun, like in a window. I think it probably got a lot of moisture in the motor, which is where the rust came from, and the rust in the cabinet, yellowing of the feet, etc. I cleaned this motor up as well as I could, and yeah, that's as good as it got, so I don't think I'm going to be using it too much. But I kind of wonder if the blade balance issues don't have something to do with that heavy gauge clip that they put on there. I tried moving it around a little bit to see if it improved anything, but it didn't really seem to do anything, really. So I'll put the blade back on now. This was another part of the 7 fans for $10 deal from last week. I think this is the third fan that I've attempted to clean up so far, and I mean, it came out okay, but I already knew that the motor was pretty rusty. I only have one guard, the handle's broken. These are things that I can I mean, I can make this into a functional fan, but even that is kind of crappy. One good thing about it is the guard is in really nice shape. I think when you find these fans from this time period, a lot of the time the guards will be brittle and falling apart, but I've been pretty lucky on the 2 or 3 fans like this that I found. The guards are still They have their elasticity. There's no cracks or anything. Unfortunately, it's just the one guard. I have another fan left like this one, but it's missing both guards and the blade. It's basically just like this one, but no blade, no guards. It's just the motor, cabinet, switch, and that's it. So between the two fans, I still can't make a complete fan. But anyway, here's a low speed. Runs pretty good, all things considered. I think I just made it a little bit worse. Here's medium. I don't know why, but the air movement just doesn't seem very good. I wonder if it has something to do with the blade. How the blades were kind of curled up, starting to crinkle up a little bit. It's weird, I can only feel it in spots. Like I can't feel it at all where my hand's at, nothing. I move my hand down here, I can feel it here. Nothing at all. Right here I can feel gusts. That's weird, it's like not moving the air. Now it is. It seems like, I don't know, it's weird. Here's high. Now it's moving decent air. It's still really gusty, and it's like, it's just not. Yeah, figured I'd move the camera around a little bit, see what the wind stream sounds like. Spin down is a lot better than it was, but it's still a little bit short. Not terrible, but that's kind of weird. Compared to the Galaxy fan, this thing hardly moves any air. I wonder if it doesn't have something to do with what's going on with the blades here. I think the blades might just be, might have gone flimsy over time, might have gotten soft. They're kind of like floppy. I don't know. It's weird. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. I'll set it somewhere until something comes to mind. But yeah, that's Lasko 1994 to 95. I believe Tori said model 3723. And unfortunately, I was not aware that the 3723s from this time predated the premium box fan. So no, I do not have the premium box fan yet. I believe I have one on the way though, possibly sometime soon. We'll see how that works out. But thanks for watching.